So that just happened. I can't lie, as of right now, November 8th will be a very, very hard day to follow.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ, back another video on Talks with TJ, and this will be short. I got him. I really didn't expect that because I didn't even have exclusive access last night. So many accounts said they saw the exclusive access available through this time on their Nike account. You needed to check on desktop and make sure that you were logged in. Yeah, I did all of that and it didn't show access, at least for me, from what I was able to see. But I guess that wasn't the case because yeah, this GOTEM screen is here for a men's pair. Now I had to go with the 7, the 6 and 6. Well, first off, I wouldn't get a 6. 6 is just too narrow and too tight of a fit and it's uncomfortable if I go true to size for a men's or GS cut. And since men's was the only thing available on my screen, I actually went with the 7 and I own a 7. If you take a look at the video for the Air Jordan 1 Bordeaux, that's actually a men's 7. So I'm not oblivious to having 7s in the collection if I have to. Perfectly okay with that. Do you know why? Hassle gone, stress gone, headache gone of trying to secure this pair. And I'd said it in previous videos, I didn't even want to venture into resale or anything of that nature for getting this pair. It was going to be retail or nothing. So that meant I would get a W via a local retailer, Foot Locker, Champs, or, you know, maybe JD Sports, AKA Finish Line, or it would come through Nike and sneakers. Otherwise, I was just going to consider it a wash, a loss, and be okay with it. Now I don't have to worry about that, so I'm shook. Now, this has been a year to remember, even if I took plenty of L's, to know that I had exclusive access for the Kobe 6 Protro Gigi and Kobe pair, that tribute pair, to know that I also got it for the Lost and Found 1. I didn't expect it. Again, we know the parameters for the Kobe 6 that they put out. We know the parameters they put out for the exclusive access for this pair, which said, hey, you need to take or have taken 20 L's on an Air Jordan 1. I'll be honest, I had my doubts about that when they first announced it. I'm just being very transparent. I had my doubts about that, and I think that's kind of proven because I've talked with people. They've tried for way more than 20 pairs of Air Jordan 1s and many other models, and they've taken L on L on L, and they did not receive exclusive access to this pair on November 8th. So it's just, it's very, yeah, I guess it's very weird how, I don't know, I guess they're setting the guidelines, but they don't have to abide by the guidelines. But then again, it's there, so who are we to say? But everybody will have thoughts and criticism, and hey, you're entitled to that. But I'm very happy just to have these. And I say November 8th will be a hard day to follow. It's not just in relation to the Air Jordan 1 that I just got a W on, but more so other things that took place today. And you know, I'm trying to do better at, you know, enjoying the wins as they come, not looking at the bigger picture of everything that may be going on in life and letting that take away from the moment of, you know, a win when it happens. I have a terrible habit of doing that. So again, I'm doing my best to focus on what's good and the wins that have occurred. And there have been quite a few today, twofold in one, and I'll do a video on that on the channel soon. But then this W. So please comment below, did you receive exclusive access for the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found? And if not, I'm sure you'll sound off as well on your thoughts about not having access, or if you were still unable to get your pair, check out. I don't know. I really hope it was a smooth process for you if you had exclusive access. I made this comment on Twitter, but listen, again, this is a pair where you've seen it months and months and months in advance. So there isn't anything profound that I'm able to offer in addition to showing you the shoe and how I choose to style it. But it's not as if I don't own black, red, and white Jordan 1s. Like, I do own those already. So, I mean, you've seen me style those. So it's not gonna be anything crazy outside of the realm of what you've already seen, but I am happy to have this on the way. I will certainly have a video up. I'll probably try to keep it short just because you've seen tons of videos already, but just know I appreciate any video you tune into. It is November 8th. Please be sure that you get out and vote. I already did a video on that. If you complain but don't actually exercise your civic duty and right to vote, I just think your complaining is definitely for nothing because you had a chance to at least have your voice count. If you don't want to count it, like, we're already behind the 8 ball. That's all I'm saying. But thank you again for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.